Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I created this wavy, super easy hairstyle, keep on watching.
Hey guys, I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair just to have more control. Next, I'm going to be applying a thermal protectant. You really want to use one before you're applying any type of heat to your hair that is curling, flat ironing, or blow drying your hair. Okay, now that our hair is all prepped and ready to go, we can get started. I'm going to be using the Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron for this. Once you've decided how thick you want your sections, you can get started. And I like to curl away from my face, so always back. And the most important thing for this hairstyle is to not curl all the way to your ends. So you want to leave about 1 inch out. I'm going to be repeating the same technique throughout the whole head. And guys, don't worry if your sectioning is not perfect. That's not really going to matter for the look that we're going for. Once I'm all done with my curls, to finish it off, I love using this product. It's a styling potion. It's going to help you with flyaways, frizz, and also going to give you a lot of shine. And it just kind of seals everything in. I love it. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.